Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. In previous lesson we have seen about oral comprehension on page number 54. Now thinking about the text on page number 54, the same lesson was question number 1 was Anne right when she said that the world would not be interested in the musings of a 11 years old girl. Question again. See on right side. Was Anne right when she said that the world would not be interested in the missings of the 13 years old girl? Yes, Anne was right when she said because most of the people don't want to give importance to a child's perspective towards the world because they are too immature for the world. Again, yes, the N was right when she said so because most of the people, as you know, don't want to give importance to a child's perspective towards the world because they are too immature for the world. Thinking like this, that people do not think about the particular child's writing, not giving importance and considered to be the immature. But Anne Frank has become one of the most discussed of all Holocaust victims. Her diary has been translated into many languages. See, what she wrote, her diary translated into many languages and published in many books. That shows that for the other persons higher importance given to diary, and that is why I firmly believed in this particular talking what she said. Number 2, there are some examples of diary of journal entries in the before you read section. Compare these with what Anne writes in her diary. What language was the diary originally written in? In what way is Anne's diary different? Question number 2. Again, there are some examples of diary or journal entries in the before you read section. Compare this with what Anne writes in her diary with the language was the diary originally written. In which language? What language diary originally written? Anne's diary different. That also we have to answer it. Anne's diary was entirely different from most of the example given before. Her diary was quite different. What example given before? It was somewhat closer to the memoir. Closer to the memoir. Memoir diary, as you know, written about the celebrity, about the persons who earn name and fame. His name spread, people remember his name, people believing that person's man of importance, that is his writing, then calling it text. But here different diary. The name of Raj Kapoor has been mentioned. It was originally written in Dutch. It has informed tone which excludes the careful nature of teenager. What teenager thought? What type of thinking of the teenager? That shows an originally written in Dutch language, as you know. So Anne's diary was entirely different from most of the example given before the text. It was somewhere closer to the memoir in which the name of Raj Kapoor has been mentioned. Somewhat closer, not totally. Closer to the memoir which Raj Kapoor's name mentioned, as you know. It was originally written in Dutch. It has formal tone. It has informal tone which include the careful nature of teenager. What type of nature the clean teenager have to keep, has to keep, that was written in this particular diary. It shows. Number 3. Why does Anne need to give a brief sketch about her family? Does she treat Kitty as an inside or outside? Number 3. Why does Anne need to give a brief sketch about her family? Does she treat Kitty as an insider or outsider? Anne gives an introduction of her family in the diary because it has had to make others realize that 13-year-old teenager can write about her loneliness. Kitty is an outsider which is gifted by her parents on her 13th birthday, but she considers it in a friend and treats it as an insider. Actually, it was outsider, but after writing, she thought it is insider. In the sense, she can keep with her, and that is why, according to her, she firmly believed that it is very important for her. It is her close friend, and it keeps the secret, and it shows that particular incidents, any events, if she wrote in her diary never reveals the secret. That is why telling that papers never reveals till you give. If you tell one thing to the another person, naturally he or she or they tell to others. But if you write in your diary and you can't show the diary, till that another person not realize. That is why she firmly believed that first it was outsider, but it was insider. That means it had to make other realize that 13 years old teenager can write about her loneliness, about her idea, about her thinking, and given the name Kitty, also outsider, which is gifted by her parents on her birthday, that you know. But she considered it her as her best friend, and it is an insider. That is why I can put higher trust on it. Next, number 4. How does Anne feel about her father, her grandmother, Mrs. Copras, and Mr. Kissing? What do these tell you about her? Next, Annie has fond memories of her father. Annie has fond memories of her father, grandmother, Mrs. Cooper's, and Mr. Kissing, who have left edible impressions on her mind and affected her life a lot. She firmly believed, had faith in her father, grandmother, and Mrs. Cooper's, Mrs. Kissing, who have left indelible impression on her mind and affected her life a lot. The way she represents all of them in her diary reveals that Anne was very good at understanding people and at developing interpersonal relations. She firmly believed that at this age, She understood higher and she firmly believed in this particular point about the different people. Next, what does Anne write in her first essay? Mr. Kissing asked her to write an essay on the topic of chatterbox as punishment. In the essay, she accepts the drawbacks of being talkative but argues that it is in her genders. As her mother is also very talkative, it is difficult to give up the habit and it also students strike. Even Mr. Kissing laughed at the argument she had given. She firmly believed, she accepted, she told reality that she got from her parents. Her mother was also talkative, and after reading this, Mr. Kissing also laughed at the argument she had given. Number 6. Anne says teachers are most unpredictable. Is Mr. Kissing unpredictable? What do you think? Anne says teachers are most unpredictable. Is Mr. Kissing unpredictable? Annie takes perfect example of Mr. Kissing as an unpredictable teacher because Mr. Kissing seemed to be indifferent toward Anne's behavior. Somehow indifferent about Anne's behavior. Earlier he laughed, but later he allows Anne to talk in the class post reading her essays. First, as you know, he didn't like Anne's talkative nature. That is why giving extra homework. But later on, he allows Anne to talk in the class post reading her essays. In the class he reads and then later on he stops giving extra homework. Next, number 7. What do these statements tell you about Anne Frank as a person? We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. What do these statements tell you about Anne Frank as a person? We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. Second, I don't want to jot down the fact in this diary the most people would, but I want the diary to be my friend. According to her, she didn't think about this particular point. Margot went to Holland in December and I followed in February when I was plunked down on the table as a birthday person for Margot. As you know, first this point giving and then answer giving. See, if you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back, but the teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth. Anyone could ramble on the leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. What it shows? First shows that Anne is reserved. First point, which we don't seem to be able to get any closer. That shows reserve. Second, she is self-confident and inventive. Second point, which I don't want to jot down the fact in the diary. Most people would. That shows her self-confidence and innovative new idea. Number 3, she is humorous and well. Margot went to Holland and this is have to remain. That shows she is humorous and well. For shows any is intelligent. For PC, if you ask me, there are so many dummies, then it shows intelligent. Number 5, she has a sense of proprietary and convincing attitude. Number 5 shows that she has a sense of propriety, says that anyone could ramble on the leave big spaces between the words. That shows her good nature and convincing attitude. On the right side, thinking about language, page number 55, 56 and 7, match the compound words under A with the meanings under B. Use each in a sentence. Heartbreaking, as you know. Heartbreaking, which coming against heartbreaking? D. Producing great sadness. Against it, D coming. First C, heartbreaking, then answer D coming from right side, B side C. Producing great sadness. Number 2, black hat. Heartbreaking, then homesick. Against homesick coming, that is G. Missing home and family very much, that is called homesick. Which coming? G. Missing home and family very much. Third one, blockhead. Blockhead. F coming. An informal word which means a very stupid person, that is called blockhead. Informal word which means a very stupid person. Law abiding, number 4. Against number 4A, obeying and respecting the law, that is called law abiding, believing in following law, rules and regulations. Overdue, number 5. That is H. Do something to an excessive degree, that is overdue. Daydream, number 6. That is B. Think about pleasant things, forgetting about the present, that is called daydream. Breakdown, number 7. E. An occasion when vehicles, machines stop working, it is called breakdown. And last, output, that means C. Something produced by person, machine or organization, output. Clear? C. Something produced by machines or work down. So joining words. Now find the sentence in the lesson that have the phrasal verb given below. Match them with their meanings. You have already found out the meanings of some of them. Are their meanings the same as that of their parts? Note that the two parts of a phrasal verb may occur separated in the text. See. In this, have to match A with B. Joining and showing the particular sentence, that is called phrasal verb. From phrase it become phrasal verb, that you know. First one, plunge in, then go straight to the topic, that is called plunge in. G coming. Answer G coming, go straight to the topic. That meanings, kept back, stay indoors, not come out. Kept back. Move up, number 3. H coming. Go to the next grade, move up. Ramble on. A. Speak or write without focus. ramble on. Number 5, get along with. Get along with. Have a good relationship with. D coming. Against number 5, D coming. Number 6, calm down. Make remain quiet in that particular peaceful situation. Stay in. Number 7, stay indoors and make up for. Number 8, upcoming, compassionate, ready, and hand in. Give an assignment, homework to person in authority, the teacher, that is called hand in. That shows that this particular phrasal verb are there. From phrase it becomes the phrasal verb, and we must think it or realize that meaning or phrasal verb may meaning somehow different particular words meaning and phrasal verbs meaning. That brings the end of this lesson here, and lecture also we will see next lesson in next period. Read this 2 times and write 1 time what we have read or what I have explained. All these you have to write 1 time in your book and read 3 times. Okay, bye, thank you, see you.